Good morning, everyone. Preppin' Mama here. I thought I'd film a quick video for you about cleaning and dwell time. And if you know me personally, you're probably spitting out your coffee right now because I am not a clean freak at all. My husband is the one who prefers things much cleaner than I do. But when we're talking about the spread of pathogens and the spread of germs and viruses, and what we're dealing with right now in 2020, I just wanted to talk a little bit about dwell time. So what is dwell time? It's also called contact something. It's basically the amount of time your cleaner needs to sit on a surface in order for it to kill what it says it will kill. So a lot of people, I think, don't realize that cleaning requires dwell time. They spray and they wipe and they think it's clean because of whatever they're using, but that is not necessarily true. So this is just a little bit of a warning for you to please read the back of your product bottles, and they will indicate at what strength you're using the product and how long dwell time it requires to kill everything. Okay, so it's just something that's important, because if you're spraying bleach, even if it's bleach, and you're wiping it right away, you're not necessarily cleaning everything. Okay, so if you look on the back of the bleach bottle here, it says for regular cleaning, it's a 5-minute dwell time, and for toilets, it's 10 on bleach. That's on the bleach bottle, you guys. Let me just check the strength on that real quick. It is 1.5 cups of bleach per gallon of water. And when you're using it as an all-purpose cleaner, you have to let it stand 5 minutes. I do not know what the stats are if you're using bleach full strength, but I have to tell you, I know it's important to get things clean, but you also don't want to come out of this thing damaging your surfaces. So using full strength bleach could be a problem for some of the things you might be using it on. So the other thing is the Clorox wipes. Again, yes, they kill, but they require dwell time. Now with dwell time, you're leaving the cleaner on wet, okay, for that amount of time. Unfortunately, Clorox wipes can often dry up before that dwell time is up and would be less effective. Okay, so you need to make sure you're using that correctly. And that means if you're wiping a doorknob with a Clorox wipe, okay, it has to stay wet for about 4 minutes. I believe that was 4 minutes. You can check me on that. It should say on the back of the package, and my eyes are not great. I need a magnifying glass to read the back of the package. But it's just something to think about and something that I want to remind you of, because if you're dealing with illness, and it doesn't matter what kind, right? You want to make sure that you can kill whatever it is you're trying to kill, or you're just kind of, I don't want to say wasting your time, because I think any cleaning can be effective, but not following the directions on the back of the container is going to make it less effective. And when you're talking about something that's as contagious as what we've got going on now in our country, it's a concern. So, quick video just to remind you that dwell time is required on all cleaners. Read the back of the container about dilution, about dwell time, about what it will kill. Bleach kills everything, but again, depending on your dilution and your dwell time, it's not 100%. Okay, for bleach to kill C. diff, for example, it needs 10 minutes. Okay, and that is at a pretty strong strength too. Okay, so sorry about the view of the double chin. So anyway, while I'm in here, I just want to tell you that since my last video, which I still haven't uploaded yet, I've been filming but not editing because I'm having technical difficulties. And honestly, we're having health difficulties at our house. So my preparedness is, I'm usually prepared food-wise. What I've been working on lately is more cleaning and medical, because of what's going on in our country. Again, I don't want to even say the word, okay? Because someone's going to look at this video in 5 years and be like, what? I don't care what it is. And I don't think this is the end of things. I think this is a blip in our history. And I think that we will recover from this. And I think this is a really great way for us to practice our preps. So if you don't normally have dry runs, this is a good time to practice your preps. But I also want to say, you guys, stay safe, stay healthy, do everything you can. That's the best we can, right? All we can do is what we can do. Take care of yourselves. You guys all have my prayers. And yeah, so that's just my quick little thing about cleaning, and I will be uploading more videos, and it looks like I might have a lot of time coming up here, so I'll have to figure out my editing issues and go ahead and upload some of those. I've been working on this room. This room actually looks better than in the video I made for you guys. It's pretty well stocked. I'm pretty well stocked in here. My plans are to work on my food shed this week. I'm planting seeds for the garden, and I'm looking at starting some microgreens this week. So that's what I have going on. Take care, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Preppin' Mama out.